Here's your explanation of how contrails work and why contrails are not contrails. They are actually chemtrails, aka aerosol injection, geoengineering, solar radiation management, aka their genocide program that the crazy military and NASA members and whoever other secret society members who think that they can run from karma. Yeah, this is their program here. They like to try to play God. But as you can see a second ago, wait, here we go. Wait, where'd it go? There. So see how that one, it doesn't really have much of a trail behind it, but then you go to that one. All right, they're at the same altitude, approximately, except one leaves a trail, one doesn't. That is because these are intentional. And this trail, see these bursts? They turn it on and off to try to break it up. But this one very obviously is dumping a bunch of shit out the back. And that one over there isn't. And that's how you know that it is not a contrail. It's very obviously weather modification. So they like to follow the path of the sun. So that's one that's been there for about a half hour. As you can see, it starts to spread out. And there's some that have been here for a long time. But yeah, every single one of these clouds up here is artificially produced. And I know that because I've been here watching, and I know that this was a clear blue sky, and I would be able to see if clouds blew in. I would see them blowing in from above the tree line and move over, and that's not what's happening. The only clouds being formed are these trails from planes that have spread out over time to look more like this and that. So weather modification is real, and any troll or anybody who says that you're a conspiracy theorist or tinfoil hat or anyone that denies this is uneducated and in denial, because Harvard openly speaks of this on their website as proposed solutions for supposed global warming, which I don't know is even legitimate, because the sun and changes in space are what cause changes in the weather and the climate. And when humans go and dump a bunch of chemicals in the atmosphere and then blame us middle class people for destroying the planet, you know, and us middle class people go and fly in planes, and us middle class people like to pretend like this doesn't exist, but this is why there's a crisis with pollution right now. Not because of normal everyday people, but because of the airline industries and corrupt airline industries and corrupt government agencies that think that they can run from karma and harass people and target people and follow people and stalk people and send their Masonic cults to people. Yeah.